Today we're diving into the iSpring RCC7AK, a 6-stage under-sink reverse osmosis system that not only purifies your tap water but also boosts it with healthy minerals. Picture sipping crystal clear, alkaline water right from your kitchen. No bulky countertop units, just a sleek faucet that delivers great tasting water on demand. Key features and specifications. This iSpring system employs 6 filtration stages: sediment pre-filter to carbon block filters, a high rejection row membrane, another carbon post filter, and an alkaline remineralization stage that restores calcium and magnesium for balanced pH and a smoother taste. You'll appreciate the patented top-mounted fastener design for hassle-free installation entirely from above, plus a transparent first stage housing so you can monitor when filters need changing. It's NSF ANSI 58 and 372 certified, processes up to 75 gallons per day, and weighs about 20 pounds with an 18-inch tank under the sink. Price. Right now, you can grab the complete RCC7AK kit including faucet, tank, adapters and tool set for about $233.90, which is very competitive for a full system row and remineralizer. Pros and cons. On the plus side, you get premium NSF certification, mineral enhanced alkaline water, easy to watch filter changes, and lifetime technical support from iSpring's Atlanta HQ. On the downside, you're looking at a 1-year warranty only, and replacement filters can add to your annual maintenance cost. Customer review summary. With over 16,800 ratings averaging 4.7 out of 5 stars, users rave about noticeably better taste, clear installation instructions, and rock-solid build quality. A handful of reviewers mentioned occasional cloudy water if the system isn't flushed properly, but most say that's a quick fix. Should you buy it or not? If you want dependable, restaurant-quality water at home and don't mind swapping filters every 6 months to a year, the iSpring RCC7AK is a stellar choice. However, if you need UV sterilization or a longer manufacturer warranty, you might want to explore higher-end variants. Overall, it's a smart investment for healthier drinking water without breaking the bank.